Hey y'all, I just put together my new grow tent and I am very happy with it. It is a 8 by 8 by 6 by 5 and it's a little larger than I anticipated. I lost the footage of me putting this together, but I'll talk through the pieces here on the wall. That's the grow tent, the stakes, and all the connector pieces. And this is what it looks like when all the framework is put together before the tent, which is that black thing against the wall, is being put on. But here we go. This is what it looks like once it is all put together. I like to keep my zippers at the top. I have a cat that kept playing with the zippers the entire time, so just in case you have a pet, keep it at the top, especially if you have a bad kitty like I do, that likes to play with things. But once you get in here, you can see I've already installed the lights and a few things in here. The next thing I'm gonna install is this 6-inch clip fan, so it can circulate some air in here, and that's a SpiderFarmer grow system, but that'll be connected later. And that is that SpiderFarmer is it's a smart power surge. It helps to automate everything in here. You can set it through the app on your phone for when to cut things on and cut things off, like that clip fan. Both of these lights are connected to a GGS controller that helps to set, that you can also set the light timer for when it comes on and come off. If not, you'll be manually doing it. But they are some pretty powerful lights. That's a carbon filter connected to the 6-inch inline fan, and I have the duct going out of the side of it instead of the top, like I saw most videos of people how they set theirs up. For the way my house is built, it needed to go out the side. And this is that GGS controller that control and automates everything. And this is the sensor that helps track the temperature and the humidity and some other things in it. But yeah, I made really good progress on it. I was really happy. Those carabiner clips, I had to use those, and I had to purchase those separately to help hang my lights. But I am so proud of the progress that I made. But yeah, can't wait to fill this baby up and see how well I can get things growing inside of here. Stay tuned.